Hey, what's going on, yo? It's your boy, Vasile Garage. Up in here, up in there, up everywhere. So, today I got my Lift PCI splitter kit. Comes with a splitter kit, the splitter, and it comes with a P1 lip kit. Just that lip right there.
Hey guys.
You can tell that thing is way big. Got no up in here. Still working on the front end, just a little more touch-ups, trying to make this as smooth as possible. So a little more cleaning up on this, and the lip is gonna go to the bumper, but the split is gonna go at the bottom. Now the problem is, got these awesome brackets, quick release, that they bolt up to where the traction bar or the factory hooks goes, which is right there. See that? On both sides. You can kind of tell the thickness of this is the same thickness as the K-tune traction bar. So, in order to run our traction bars, which for sure I'm keeping my traction bar, what I'm going to have to do is make a hole and thread it right here. I don't know if you can see it better from this angle or this angle. So, as you can tell, we got these bolts for the traction bar, which is factory. Fortunately, it's kind of cool because I have the core support out, so I can easy work on this. So, what we're going to do here is we're going to use the exact same direction that this is going to go. Put this down a little bit so you can kind of have an idea. You want to put this same direction with the traction bar bolt to this, and then you just kind of mark up your new holes. So what I'm going to do here, now make sure when you do this, this is straight up and down as much as possible. You do have a little bit of like this. It's unfortunate that when I push this bracket right against the frame right here, it's pretty much exactly lined up with the other ones. So I'm going to make those holes to actually you can go as far as that you can go with them. So what I'm going to do, I got this marker right here, the Sharpie, and I'm going to see ya. So now that being said, if you make your holes right at the top here and right at the top here, guess what's gonna happen? You're not gonna be able to go up and down with this. Now if you make your hole at the bottom here, you're gonna be able to go way more down. So that being said, you know, I'm thinking to kind of make a hole right there, make one right at the edge there, and right at the edge there. That way you have more room. See that? So that way when you weld your nut in the back, you still got room for the nut. So take it to go right here, right here, right here. I got one of those pinpoint, boom, boom, boom. Drill it through, use a unit bit, break it through, put a nut, and I'll show you exactly what's up. Okay guys, so let me tell you something. Here's some of the tools that you need in order to do this. You got a pinpoint snap-on, so what you do, you just hold it against the frame, drop it, boom, make your mark with this. Then what you got your pallet bell right there. Just put your hole, and you got your unit bit. So this you're gonna make the hole as big as where this where is it, a 10 millimeter by 1.5 to go through the frame, and then we got those 10 millimeter 1.5 nuts that we can just run it through the back and tighten them. Got like that. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to weld those nuts to the back side. And then we're gonna need a welder, of course. I use a MIG welder, 140, and that's pretty much good for me to get the job done. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera right here, so hopefully you guys see exactly what I'm doing over here. So I got pinpoint exactly what I want to make those holes, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop one right there, right in the center, and then one right there. All right, now you got your pallet bit. You're just gonna drill it through. Boom, boom. Nothing crazy. Now what are you gonna do is and you can see the bolt. You can see the bolt will go through, you know. Oh, my battery thing is dead. Fortunately, we got an extra battery here, so we're gonna go ahead and swap the battery out real quick. And I got two. I got the Craftman, which I use for the house, and I got the rigid that I use for the. You can tell. Make sure you test your bolt. Make sure it goes through. Boom, boom. Nice and tight. There you go. You got all your 4 holes right there, and you can put your bracket, just fit it. Make sure it goes, you know, like so. You can go up, and you can go. That's pretty much as far as you can go down with it right there, because you can go any lower than that because the frame. You can go a little bit up, a little bit down, kind of right there. Now, if you do have to go a little bit more up right here, you can probably trim this up a little bit, and you can go a little bit more up. Or what you can do, you can shave the top of these, so you actually can go just a little bit more up, which will give you a little bit of play, believe it or not. All right, so now what we do, we're going to run these bolts and nuts through right here. We got these 14mm bolts. So we're gonna run them to the bracket first. That will make sure that you know, when you put your nuts through onto the other side. So you can have an idea right there. See kind of what it looks like. See that? See that? So watch, you can just tighten them down, run them all the way down. I don't know why they're going a little bit kind of hard, but anyways, I'll get an impact right here and just boom, run them down. And now you gotta do just kind of tap weld here, weld them all in all in place. That way you can have all ready to go. So whenever you know, so this is pretty much how much you can go up with it, you know. Which, believe it or not, is quite a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get an impact real quick, and then I just get those going right. Now, before you weld them, before you weld it down, you want to make sure. Oh, sorry. Before you weld it down, you want to make sure that this piece is straight up and down. See that? So that way you split it right here, it's gonna be straight with those holes. So it's pretty much it. All we're gonna do is just gonna grab the welder, bring it over here, which I got the welder nice. I got the welder set up right here. But remove this hood real quick so I can show you. I got out the rollers, yeah. So I can just kind of just move it around. After I'm done welding with this. Can you bring me the welding mask? Can you bring me the welding mask? Can you bring me the welding mask? Welding mask. Huh? The welding mask.
Huh?
The welding mask.
Where's the welding mask?
You know what it is.
I know it's pink in the middle. Underneath the table? Oh, what is that? There was this. Isn't this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, let me just put this second. There you go. So now I'm just gonna let you guys watch. I'm gonna weld this. Get your gloves on. And that's pretty much it. I don't know if you can tell, but come over here, you can tell the holes already being drilled out, welded up, and the piece goes right there. See that? Boom. Nice. And it's all welded up in there, nice and clean. And now we're just going to repeat the same process to the other side, and that's how you have it. You probably will have more video, more when it's being assembled and everything's gonna pull back on. But yeah, so stay tuned till this part is gonna be done. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, comment down below, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share, and till next time. Don't forget, you're awesome. God bless. Have a good one.